There.
Okay, you're going to lie on your back with your hands up over your head. You're going to do 2 sets of rolling pattern. The first one is using your arms only, and the second one is using your legs only. To lead with your arms, you're going to lift your arm, head, neck, and shoulders. Bring your nose towards your armpit. Reach, 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 and roll. Lift your arm, head, follow your head with your hand, and roll onto your stomach, onto your back. Same way, go in the opposite direction. Reach with your head, and roll, and roll. Leading with your legs, you're going to lift the leg up, the hands aren't doing anything. Stretch over. Lift the leg, extend through your back, come across your body and onto your back. Same thing, go in the other direction. And done.